Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can highlight the content of a PDF file using WPS Office application. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my WPS Office application on my computer, and first of all, I'm going to open my PDF file. I'm just going to open this PDF file and I'm going to highlight one of the content in this PDF document. For instance, I'm going to highlight this title, and then we're going to click on the highlight menu right here, or you can also go to this menu. It's the same. Click on the highlight and then select the highlight color for the content. I'm going to choose the green color. And as you can see guys, that now the content has been highlighted. That's so easy, right? Okay guys, and that's how we can highlight the content of a PDF file using WPS Office application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!